Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Moana set, village, house, and boat. So it's a small set this summer. So let's see what's inside. So it looks like we have two dolls and so two guidebooks and also two bags of Lego and also this little land over here. So two guidebooks, two bags of Lego, and a little piece of land. So Moana is barefoot and her clothes look so detailed. And there's also her necklace and there's like Tefiti's heart inside her necklace and stuff like that. So I didn't watch the Moana animation, but I did watch the movie that came out a few days ago, like with actual actors. So there's Pua, so he is, I think it's he, right? So anyway, he's a pig, and there's banana and some fish. So the mystery is that there's a little girl included in this set as well. And I don't know who she is because there was no little girl in the movie. So maybe it was some new character in Moana animation. I don't really know because I didn't watch Moana animation. So anyway, there's a little girl over here, and this is like a this instrument that she can make music with, like this drum thing. So these are all the things, the characters inside this set. So now let's make this small village house. So this is Moana's boat. But I don't think it's the big boat that she uses because this is rather small. Yeah, so maybe it's supposed to be that one because that's the only boat that Moana used. So anyway, it's a small version of Moana's boat. It's very like coral color, as you can see. So now this is the village house. So there's not really a lot of things in this village house. It's rather small. But there are lots of nice drawings in this set, like, drawings on the wall. Yeah, so these ones, very detailed, right? So this one looks like Moana's riding her boat, and the other one, maybe they're exchanging stuff. It looks like someone's trading Moana with like banana and some soup, I think. Anyway, they're also playing music, and there's someone giving a little girl like a star. So I am not sure if the little girl is Moana and the big person is maybe her grandma, or maybe the big person is Moana and the little one is the little girl in this set. I don't really know. So anyway, there's like also an orange star in this set, and there's like a blue shining thing. So maybe that's supposed to be like the Tefiti's heart or something. So there's some beds in this place so that you can sleep, and also like some bowls, but there were some like these hot like things coming out in the guidebook, drawn on the guidebook. So I think that's some sort of hot soup or milk, or maybe some like water or something like that. So there's some decorations like these orange and coral color flowers, and there's also a coconut tree over there. So these are all the things in this set. So now we are also going to play with it. It's quite funny that they actually also put the coconut as well. Isn't it really cute? Because they always say that the coconuts are very important to them. So I love those drawings. I think that's the best part in this set. And Moana's clothes are so detailed. So now let's play with this set. So this little girl is in this house, and Moana is back from her fishing. So Moana came back. So she's caught a fish, as you can see, a very nice, delicious looking orange fish. So they probably cook it, but I can't see any fire over here. So let's just say that this is already cooked, because orange fish, normally it means that it's cooked in Lego. Because I mean, if it's raw fish, it would be like blue or sort of gray, kind of like that. But orange means that it's cooked. So anyway, since Moana has caught the fish, the little girl has to do something too. So she's bringing this coconut. This is kind of making me want to eat coconut, because I never actually really tried coconut. I just ate like dried coconut. So anyway, there's also banana over here, but I don't really like coconut that much. But anyway, I do want to try coconut milk, but I've heard about it lots of times, but I've never really tried it. So anyway, Moana is now looking at the drawings. Yeah, my favorite drawing is Moana riding the boat, but like this one is really nice too. I think it's her grandma giving the star, because it looks like Moana in the boat does look kind of small. So I'm pretty sure it's her grandma. But her grandma died quite quickly, you know. So yeah, anyway, this star I'm not so sure what it is because I think maybe it was some other story in Moana 2, but I don't know Moana 2. I think maybe they made it a little bit shorter because there's Moana 1 and 2, but this movie is just like one movie, and I think it was like 2 hours, but probably they shortened it up a little bit. So anyway, this is Moana with Pua, and sadly there's no Hey Hey in this set. Yeah, anyway, so this girl will make some music, playing some music, you know, like this. And Moana is relaxing on her bed. So maybe this girl is some other villager, you know, that maybe she goes to some adventure with Moana, or I don't think she's Moana's daughter, do you think? I don't think so. Yeah, anyway. Anyway, this little girl also wants a ride on Moana's boat. I mean, who wouldn't? That sounds so exciting, right? So they are going to ride Moana's boat together, which is rather small, but it looks nice. So, you know, there's this like Moana set. I think it was like last year, it was like this Kagamora something with like these, you know, like this boat, gigantic boat with the coconuts. I think that's the biggest Moana set so far. I was really excited to see that in the movie, but it just appeared in the movie for I think about maybe like 5 or 7 minutes, and then it just disappeared, you know, like it broke. Anyway, it looked really like really gigantic, you know. Anyway, this is the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. So I'll come back with other Lego videos. See you next time. Bye bye.